And this is it. The adventure starts now. Lilipat tayo doon sa Japan third floor. We are at the boat already and started to sail, and we are making ourselves comfortable and relaxed. And we are enjoying the unlimited coffee, unlimited tea, unlimited fruits, and of course, water. Siyempre, di dyan na mawala ang mga kulitan. Hi, madam. At this point, we're already changing our clothes and we are ready for swimming and adventures. And for safety purposes, we are all required to wear a life jackets. Nipito na ang barko, dunggo na ta. For this trip, it includes banana boat ride, speedboat. We will go snorkeling. Going to the beach, fishing, and of course, fooding, free food.
Whenever we get here, going for beach, you can go now. Just give me 2 minutes. Those who are going, not.
Hi, Mom! Video! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hello! Oh, Titanic!
Ay puwerte dyan namong ginunitay, kay mga lisod nagmalagpot. Medyo sakit gud pod hinuon sa lubot nga giuntol-untol pero tinuyuan man. So naabot nami sa beach. At this time, mura jud kong nakatag-iya sa island. Ang ako realization about this trip, similarities create friendships and differences hold them together. This island is so beautiful. And I'm so lost in the beauty of it. Oh, hugot na naman si Tita Lerps. Sige na Tita Lerps, balik na dito sa dagat. Panginhas na dito. Aw, bugsay po ta. Ay, niguro jud diha Tita Lerps, ipakita ang iyong galing. Abi pa lang, dili ka taga-isla. Ilang dagat diri ba? Kaning brown, mabaw. Pero kanang blue, kantil. Kalitra po nagkalawom.
Sundo namin.
So good nagpanudsod si Tita Lerps. Daghana bitaw gikinhason oy. Nya mga tambok ra ba kaayo? Pwede pa lang dadon ko ni tanan aninikad ba?
Coming! Ah. Sarap yan, ginata. Ay, may laman. Sarap yun.
Falling down, just release your hand. Bye-bye!
In banana boat ride, you have an options if you want to be flipped or no. Pero kaming grupo ha, mga karagan man, aw hala, unsa pa may dugayan, flip dayon. Pero nibalik pa jugog sa kay ani ni kuyog ko sa wa magpa-flip. Karagan jud ni Tita Lerps. See you sa next part. Please follow, like, and share.